Hello folks, Bob Rogers here. How are you guys all doing? Yeah, I've been out riding my recumbent trike. It's great. You know, I get great cardio exercise riding on this thing all around the north shore of Oahu. My legs are pumping, my heart's pumping, good exercise. But you know, I'm not getting any upper body workout. So I decided to try a new discovery, a new exploration. Guess what? I'm going to learn how to kayak surf. I had started surfing when I was 13 years old over in Kailua Bay shore break, my childhood surf spot, and recently took up the sport again 7 years ago and was enjoying the paddling out to my favorite surf break here in Laie and getting some great upper body cardio and core toning. But after a couple surgeries last year and a 6-month recovery, I got way out of shape, and the paddle out to catch a wave was becoming more taxing on me. Age was also catching up with me. I tried stand-up paddling as a way to mitigate the stress on my body and still surf. After a month of trying it out, it was obvious that stand-up paddling wasn't for me. I had a hard time balancing, and when I did catch a wave, it wasn't much fun because the huge board is such a tanker. It wasn't as maneuverable as I wanted it to be. So then I thought about getting a sit-on-top surf kayak. I researched the web to see what was out there. Most plastic or polyurethane kayaks generally weigh 40 to 60 pounds, which was way too heavy for me. I stumbled on this kayak called a Wave Witch. It was sleek and could slice through the water with ease and was faster. These crafts, like a surfboard, were made of fiberglass and were light, around 30 pounds. They were pricier than the polyurethane kayaks, but light, narrow, and had a foot-controlled rudder made for surfing. Next step was to try out kayaking, so I borrowed a friend's polyurethane kayak. Not really a surf kayak, but it would do to see how my neck, back, arm, muscles, and legs would handle the recumbent position. Heck, I was used to it with the recumbent trike that I rode 3 or 4 times a week. The only difference is I didn't tip over on my trike. The test ride with my friend's polyethylene kayak was okay, but I really wanted a Wave Witch. I found one at a water sports shop and I brought it home. I couldn't wait to get it in the water. Well, I was a bit unstable on my initial rides at the surf break near my house. I rode it for 3 straight days and found I was unsteady, and the smallest wave or ripple could tip me over. I couldn't figure it out. Well, after the 3 days, I was exhausted and my arms felt like they were going to drop off. Fortunately, I went on a 2-week trip to the mainland, which gave me time to rest and heal. But I was hooked. I truly believe surf kayaking was for me. Well, while the waves by my house were a bit too big for someone who could barely steer the thing, I was now in search for a better training wave. So stay tuned for the next episode where we explore the Wave Witch and look for a different surf spot and a better wave to learn on as I continue to learn to ride a surf kayak.
No more coconuts and coconut grove.